Hello to everyone out there. My name is Mu'min Jafar, the Director IT Department of Nile University Science and Technology. The most challenges that are affecting most institutions in the world is producing students who are not able to apply the problems into the applications of technology. That's the most challenging issue. Nile University, being a well-distinguished university and having the international standards of producing out well-functional and practical students who are going to provide the ultimate solutions to those problems using the application of technology. Nile University has a well-established library. It has a very well-equipped computer laboratories. We have a CCNA, the CCNA lab bundle for networking students. We have the CCNA for CCNA security for cybersecurity students.
Assalamu alaikum. Abdulghani is my name. I'm a student of cybersecurity at the first semester in Nile University of Science and Technology. From day one, I gained a lot of skills in troubleshooting some problems with the computer and learned more skills or basic skills in programming and technology. And I hope to gain the best and achieve my career as a cybersecurity engineering. And due to the very professional, and local teachers that Nile University have, and the available.
محمود waxaan ahay arday dhigta jaamacadda Nile University semester 5 kana barto software engineering laga bilaabo maalinkii ugu horeysay waxaan helay xirfado badan oo programming ka waxaan ku guuleystay inaan barto luqadaha programming sida Python, Java iyo C# iyo wixii la mid ah waxaan jeclaan lahaa inaan noqdo engineer xirfadlaha kadib waxbarashadii jaamacadda Nile University waxaan rabaa semester 8 markii aan noqdo inaan noqdo system analyst.
Alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aniga magacayga Saadaq Bashir Ahmed dhigta jaamacadda Nile University. Waxaan ka bartaa kulliyadda IT oo macnaheedu tahay information technology oo la soo gaabiyay IT. Run ahaantii markaa jaamacadda imaaday waxaa ii fududaaday waxyaabo badan oo iga xirnaa hadday ahaan lahaayeen dhisida website dhammaystiran markii hore maan aqoonin website laakiin maanta aan ahay qof website samayn kara oo isku filan maasha Allah. Run ahaantii jaamacadda waxay ii fududaysay waxyaabo badan oo iga xirnaa oo runtii waxaan helnaa practice joogto ah 70%. boqolkiiba 30 waxaan u helnaa siyoor ahaan aan qaadana practice waaye inta badan dhalinyarada waxaan ku bogaadin lahaa inay jaamacadda imaadaan kuna soo dhawaadaan.
At Nile University, we offer a multiple of courses under the undergraduate section. We offer the bachelor's degree in information technology, the bachelor's degree in computer science, a bachelor's degree in software engineering, a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, and a bachelor's degree in computer networking. Whereas we have a postgraduate section of all these courses, and that is masters in IT and so on. Nile University is providing the correct and the very well skills to these students in that after their course of study, they are going to be applying the knowledge that have been gotten from this mighty university to be solving problems by the application of technology that is going on in the world of era that is all about technology. So I welcome everybody outside there who would wish to be among us, who would wish to take this world of technology to another level, to come and choose Nile University as your main fact that can push you out and run your career. Nile University, we offer online courses, and if you feel like you're very far from the physical location of the university, you can still visit our website try to register with us and you go on with online courses. Don't forget that we have the diploma sections and we have all the short courses that you feel like. All short courses like in computer applications, you would want to learn more about how to use the computer and the suite of Microsoft Office. Please, you're welcome. All dignities are welcome.